Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Derek and Ian, Dave are going to make for you the Krakatoa. I'm yelling because this is like the later drink in the episode.
It's like a volcano.
It's a volcano, right? Yeah. It's also something that Squidward screams every now and then in SpongeBob SquarePants.
Does he?
If I recall.
No. Well,
maybe.
Doesn't that just make you the SpongeBob geek?
Yep, it does because I love SpongeBob.
Own it.
I do. It's a great show. You guys should all watch SpongeBob. What's the other show with Family Guy? And what's the one on Netflix? I haven't watched.
Liam loves
Big Head.
No, the puberty one.
Big Mouth. Big Mouth. Yeah, that's a good one.
Those are the shows you have to watch. Here's the recipe for a Krakatoa. It's 1.5 ounces of gold rum, 1.5 ounces of dark rum, 1 ounce of orange juice, 1 ounce of grapefruit juice, 1.5 ounces of lime juice, 1 ounce of apricot liqueur, 1/2 ounce of velvet falernum or any falernum, 2 ounces of coffee rum or coffee liqueur, whatever, 1 dash of Angostura Bitters. That's it, my friends. Fresh orange juice is how you produce this recipe. Was that cracking from me? Did you hear it?
Did you crack?
I heard cracking.
Might have been you.
Oh, wow. You didn't, you set me up the bomb. Oh, you didn't have anything to do with this, did you?
Nope.
For this, I'm going to use some fresh orange juice because freshly squeezed orange juices are the best. I don't know. Are these Krakatoa oranges?
Yes.
Oh, I love Krakatoa oranges.
I know, that's why I got them.
I have a video up here. It's all about how actual orange juice, if you buy it at the store,
Instead of buying a bag for $2, I bought oranges for $2 each.
It's what? It's
Cars are not cheap compared to other oranges.
You know why? Because they're
good.
Fucking awesome.
I understand.
I'll be right back. Then I will tell you about oranges. I just want to get the flesh off because we need multiple juices for this drink.
In the meantime, you can just watch me pour stuff from one thing to another thing.
He lifts things up and puts them down.
And nope, he's gonna breathe on top to open them.
Oh, you gotta breathe on it?
Yeah.
So.
Good thing I got Godzilla breath.
Fresh orange juice.
Get the sugar right out of that thing.
Is the best. Because if you buy a bottled orange juice, it's basically a flavor additive, but they use natural parts of the orange to create the flavors. Therefore, they don't have to put artificially flavor on it. But they have a special recipe flavor pack that generates the flavor for the different orange juices, which is why if you buy Tropicana, you buy Simply Fresh, or whatever it's called, all the different orange juices, Minute Maid, they all taste different. How the fuck can that be? Because they pull out all the oxygen so that they can store these in large vats for like a year.
So it doesn't go bad.
They blend the Valencias and Cars, all those together, and then they suck it all up. When they suck out the oxygen so it doesn't go bad, it also kills all the flavor. You need these already?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Keep doing what you're doing. Here, just pour it in this. 1 ounce, please, sir.
Did you say the recipe yet?
I did.
He did. And then he just kept talking, and then stopped juicing.
How much you need?
1 ounce.
How about 1.5 ounces?
I can do 1.5 ounces.
It just keeps coming, though.
I have ways.
Hold on. I'll put it back.
There you go. There's 1.5 ounces.
I know. Oh, and fresh grapefruit juice. Don't buy bottled grapefruit juice. While they probably do something very similar from a grapefruit juice perspective, fresh grapefruit juice has less tartness, more juiciness. The acidity levels aren't nearly the same. So
you hated grapefruit juice for a while, didn't you?
What?
You were not a fan of grapefruit.
Oh, I hated no. And then I tried fresh grapefruit
I'm still
juice,
not a fan of grapefruit
and I was like, "Whoa!"
I was talking to you, Jen.
What the fuck is this?
My opinion, anyway, Ian.
Okay, thank you.
We're gonna shake and strain all these into a Chicago highball glass, by the way. Dip, dip, dip.
Will the boys be boys?
I don't know if this is gonna be my shot when we do this video. Also, don't forget to go to awesomedrace.com. You can use coupon code SPRING19, save 15% off on everything on your order. For instance, if you're looking for Trinity Bitters, which is a what the fuck? Why is it so dark looking?
Oh my gosh.
Looks like poopies.
It does look like
Krakatoa!
It's Maya's, it's
Yeah. No, but no.
And the
It's the
apricot.
Kapali.
Oh yeah, the Campali too.
So Trinity Bitters is a good bitter if you're like, Derek, I want to buy bitters, but I don't know what to get. You get Trinity Bitters. It's going to work in your bourbons. It's going to work in your gins and your vodkas and all the
trifecta.
It's a trifecta. It's got orange bitters. It's got cherry bark vanilla bitters. Orange bitters are great for your lighter spirits. Cherry bark vanilla for your darker spirits. Why are you so confused?
I don't know. It's an interesting drink.
It's because you're trying to figure out why it's so dark.
No, I know why it's drink.
Oh.
I know it's dark. It's the flavors.
Oh, I didn't know you were stealth trying it.
Still, you can't drink out of your glass.
No, you got foodies.
So this drink was made by me and Curtis back in some years ago. This has got coffee. Yeah! Right up in the place. I like it. I like coffee.
Orange goes well in coffee.
Says that does not look appealing and puts the green face.
No.
It's pretty interesting though.
But if
not in a bad way.
If you think of it as more of a coffee-based drink, then it starts to... It's like a coffee tropical drink. There's no ice in here, or is there?
Wasn't a room. Mark it. Save it for the blooper reel.
That's what the... that's what the bartender's like. Am I supposed to get ice in this? Fuck. No, there's no room.
There's no room in there. Does it look like there's any room for ice? You want me to get rid of some drink and give you some ice?
No, I was just
Smart
curious
ass.
as to
I
why.
didn't think so.
I just didn't understand why like every
Dumbass.
drink has ice, but this one drink
Doesn't need it. It's like an iced coffee.
What's
Why
it?
it's the ice. It's like a cold
Yeah,
cold brew. It's like cold brew.
There you go.
Cold brew still needs. Oh no, is cold brew hot?
I will smack you in the dick.
Why are you gonna do that now?
I don't know. This seems like the thing to
Well,
do.
cold brew should be hot. How do they make cold brew?
They brew it coldly.
How do you get any?
You know how you make iced tea? You let the tea soak in the water?
Yeah, but that takes a long time.
Yeah.
Oh
Cold
fuck!
brew.
Really? Yeah, cold brew. Is that why they like always talk about how it's always dead at work? Like they're always like cold brews. We're out of cold brew. Like is it because it takes
You
a
can't
long
just
time?
make it in 5 minutes, yeah.
And they just have like a vat of it, and then once it's gone, you gotta wait for like 5 hours.
Like some
Something like
brewed
that.
tea.
Dude, what's the advantage of that? Is it that much better? Why is it
Smoother.
a thing now?
I buy it at the grocery store. I buy the Stoke, the red. They have like a chocolate flavored, and then they have like a. But it's really good. It's for like coffee in a bottle. It's pretty damn good.
I'm not drunk.
You're drunk?
No, I really like drunk Derek. This is sober Derek.
I'm drunk.
I don't
It's
understand.
pretty good. I like being drunk. Been drunk for hours now.
Okay, this drink, if you think coffee, beat some sense. Oh, you know what? For some reason, that hurt.
You didn't expect the second
No,
one?
that was probably
Nobody
the,
expects the Spanish
reached,
Inquisition.
I kind of I let my hand go limp and then I get hit, so it slapped and it's stingy now.
Yeah.
If you think coffee, this makes sense. If you think like pineapple,
Chocolate
you're like,
or-
what the fuck? Like it's a weird color. It's not. It's just all the coffee coming in, but it has coffee orange, like coffee citrus flavor, a little bit of clove.
What we learned from the one time that I went to that Rumson thing with you guys is that coffee and citrus pair well.
Right.
Yeah, they do.
Interestingly enough.
So I think
don't tend to
fresh,
like it, but they do pair well.
fresh citrus with this drink because you don't get all the weird, I don't know. Whenever you put like bottled stuff, it tastes
Artificial.
different. Yeah, it tastes artificial, but yet it doesn't by itself, and I don't know why. But fresh orange juice, especially the Car, which is super juicy and sweet, work really well. You bring in that coffee flavor, and then I seriously, I don't taste rum. Like if there's rum in
Oh,
there,
it's there, man.
You put it in there.
Yeah.
I don't get the
There's
apricot.
3
It's-
ounces of it.
Really?
It's there, man.
Oh, that's gonna fuck you up. And I mean,
Is it a knockout drink?
Leave that one for Jen.
yeah, this is a sleeper knockout drink because
Well, it's so big too, though. I mean, it's a big drink.
right.
Yeah, because you can't even fit ice in there.
Yeah.
You have 3
Yeah,
ounces
there's
of
no
pure
room for
rum,
ice.
then you have a liqueur, which is a rum base. So it's like
Oh yeah. So 3, 4, 5,
plus the apricot
6.
liqueur, which is
It's-
probably like 12%.
6 ounces of booze.
This
I
is
mean,
like
of various qualities, obviously, but
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but apricot brandy. This is just like, oh, I'm just gonna douse it with wine. It's got the same amount of alcohol,
But
so
wine.
as like
So
a
in
table
your
wine.
opinion,
this says
could-
35% alcohol.
Oh fuck! Really?
No, I don't think so. So in your opinion, could
No,
you
it
use
says
amaretto
35%
as a
alcohol.
sub for apricot liqueur?
Yeah. You could, but it would change. It wouldn't be the same flavor.
Amaretto.
Yeah, I don't think you could.
Yeah.
Amaretto is not an apricot, so that
Oh.
kind of puts a damper on things.
But it's
But
from
it's tasty.
the apricot. The bitter almonds
It
that come
is.
from the
It's
center of the
bitter,
apricot.
yeah, but
But no,
Yeah.
the flavor is different. But it has sweetness and it has
Really?
a similar content of alcohol, so you could swap it out.
It
if the
won't
flavor
taste like
works.
this. It might taste better. I don't. Everything with amaretto always
No,
tastes.
she
Amaretto.
never, she never said that, Diana.
Think about this. You've got orange juice and amaretto in their scenario.
Just the first part. LOL.
It's so big. Orange juice and amaretto we know is like fucking killer app.
Yeah,
Like that's like you sell, that's
blend
IPO,
well.
you're done. Right.
Yeah.
This has orange juice, so if you brought in the amaretto over the apricot,
Yeah, maybe that.
I think it
Well, I
would.
mean, apricot and orange juice go well together,
There you
obviously.
go.
Right.
Deconstruction.
Apricot and
Boom.
Apricot.
This is a lot of work for deconstruction. Maybe we just mix everything out as a double batch and then split it up and add the apricot or amaretto.
There you go.
So
Yeah, I think amaretto would be a great substitution for this if you don't have apricot, but it will not be this.
Right.
It could be better. It probably won't be worse. It'll
Nothing
just be
with
different.
amaretto's worse.
Right. I think it's a fine drink, as long as you like coffee-based drinks. Because this is coffee.
I think we're getting back an empty glass is what I think, maybe.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see.
Pretty tasty.
It would be horrible.
You get wrecked drinking too much of these things. Like all the stuff we had tonight, like all
Someone's ass getting laid tonight.
those, yeah.
That's
their
a quote.
ass.
So.
Yeah, is that Lincoln?
Is it?
No, it's Grandma's Boy. You ever see Grandma's Boy?
No.
Okay.
But you made it sound like Lincoln.
Yeah, well, it's an African guy.
Yeah.
So
So same.
let's talk to shock with him.
Good African accent.
Yeah.
Good job.
Someone's ass getting laid tonight.
Yeah. Our
Somebody knows in there.
executive producer's Bonnie Hoffecker. Right down there. Check out. That's our patreon.com/CMC. If you want to help support the show, because we're literally sitting up here being dumbasses on camera for fun,
Eric knows.
and we get nothing for it. So, what the fuck? Why does it say show high? Oh, because there's probably too many spammies.
Sure.
So, there you go. That is it. I think we're done for the month, right?
Turn for the best, worst drinks.
We'll be back June. We'll be having to do some July cocktails and some late June cocktails. Right below in the comments what you guys like to see.
Oh, it's Sal.
Hi, Sal.
Yeah.
Hi, Sal.
What?
Sal.
Is that the one we met
I think this is the Sal that we met at
Salvatore?
Tails, right?
in Tails?
Oh, I
Maybe.
probably took the card out of my wallet.
You have his card
I did at one point. It's not in my
in your
though.
wallet?
Well, where
Well,
else?
Peggy, you're already back.
Oh, some quick drinking. Good
Yeah.
for you.
So, that's it, my friends. We'll see you next
maybe it's in my
filming. Maybe Dan will be here, probably. And Ian will probably be here, and so it's going to be
Wait,
weird.
depends when it is.
And because you don't want to be here when Dan's here?
No, I have a couple things coming up next month.
In June?
Yeah.
End of June?
Yeah. I'm going to be in Mount Zion from the 22nd
This is
to
the
the
Utah
29th. Yeah. And then the weekend before that, well, the 22nd is my grandfather's service that I'm not going to be around for, so I may be going up to Maine the week before that.
So, Dan might be here next live stream. We'll have to figure it out. Somebody will be here. I'll be here. So that's it, my friends.
Was that the last one?
Yeah.
Crikey.
Well, wait, you can
We
make
could do
your,
the Trinidad Sour.
For
if
the
you
live
want.
Oh,
stream, you can make your Trinidad.
We could
orange
record it.
We should do the Trinidad Sour with the library because I want. Yeah.
Okay, we can.
Oh, and the orange in the library. That's what we're gonna do.
Okay, so there might be an extra episode.
Yeah.
Because I might as well record it if we're doing it.
Stay
right?
tuned for the good stuff.
It'll be
it's
That's
casual.
what you get for.
It'll be casual
Being
common man
alive.
cocktails.
Yeah, exactly.
More casual than normal. Sidebar, more videos down below. Austin Riggs Bartender Starter Kit. You can use Spring 19, save 15% off until June 30th. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink